Yo, what's up, guys? This is going to be the weekly analysis for the week of January 2024, or January 2029th, 2024. Sorry, I'm tired as crap, and I'm a little bit sick, so bear with me. Yeah, if we go look on the weekly, you guys will see the last three weekly candles have made a fair value gap after breaking new all-time highs. And if you look here, these were the previous all-time highs. When we broke those, we broke with a fair value gap, retraced into it for a week, and then bounced back up to make a new high. So if we follow the trend, that's kind of what I'm expecting, is for us to maybe end this week in the fair value gap, right? The 50% mark from this low to this high is about at this order block, which I'll look at on the 4-hour. If you wanted to take it from here to here, it would be at this high. So maybe if we go on a lower time frame, there's like a breakaway gap or something. But I'm expecting a retracement back into one of these 50% levels. So this is the weekly chart. To preface this, I'm expecting to be bullish for the first part of the week until Wednesday, which I'm probably not going to trade because it's FOMC. But, this FOMC is going to be pretty big. But we'll see what happens. It could send us, even farther up, or it could trigger us to, retrace a bit more. But I'm just going to play what I see, not anything else. So let's go on the daily. So you guys can see this Asian session right now. But we wicked off this daily order block right here. And January 29th, January 29th, 30th, and 31st are super bullish days, and we're in a presidential election year. So I'm expecting, leading up to FOMC, to be super bullish, and then I'm expecting FOMC to drop us down into this fair value gap. Sorry. But, yeah, that's just generally what I'm looking at. So, go on the 4-hour here. You can see, so I took the fib from this low to this high, and the 50% level was right above this order block. So I would look for us to maybe bottom out here, and if FOMC rallies us just through here, even lower, then whatever 50% of from here to here would be. I think it's like this area at the bottom of the fair value gap. So, there is not a breakaway gap on the 4 or the 1-hour. It's just this order block that we tapped into and then pushed from. So, yeah, I am trading on a funded challenge going into this week. I already hit a trade on it in Asian session just because there was such a good setup. I bought like right here, and I sold like here. So that was the first trade that I did. I put it into the trading journal. This was it. If we look at the journal, you can see this is my analysis, and this is what the trade looked like in the middle of it. It did hit the TP, as you guys could see, but now we're just pushing down just like I said we would, which is kind of funny. But yeah, that's pretty much my analysis. Is bullish for the start of the week, bearish after FOMC. But that can change depending on what FOMC does. That's going to be really the next, key thing, right? It all depends on what FOMC does for how the market's going to react in the coming days. So, yeah. I should be able to do a live execution tomorrow. I'll try and record that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.